Visualizations can not only support traditional sense-making tasks, but also crafting and assembly tasks. The recent technological advancement in augmented and virtual reality extend our ability to prototype and evaluate new visualizations faster than ever before. However, research in the domain of human-computer interaction has shown that comparing results across different empirical methods is only possible to a limited degree. Prior work has shown that users' perception of interactive smart objects is dependent on the empirical method. We present a new study in which we only switch the smart objects to 4 situated visualizations supported by DIY tasks, such as crafting and assembling. In detail, participants were asked to perform a chair assembly task, a drilling task, a wood-cutting task, and a task in which they place a screw in wood. To foster direct comparability, we investigate the same 5 empirical methods as previous work: online survey, virtual reality, augmented reality, lab, and in situ study in the context of situated visualizations. In a between-subject design, participants were asked to rate the usability and attractiveness of our situated DIY visualizations. In VR, participants were fully immersed in a virtual environment. While they used controllers to interact and perform the different tasks, the VR objects are exact replicas of the real-world objects and tools. In AR, the situated visualizations were presented using a head-mounted, see-through display, enabling the visualization to appear right on the workbench in front of the participants. In the lab condition, the visualizations were positioned directly on the workbench, using a projector as in all other conditions. In the in situ condition, we visited participants in their homes where we set up our projection visualization system. This enables participants to experience how the visualizations work in their familiar environment, in which they conducted crafting or assembly tasks beforehand. Our user study with 60 participants showed that there is no dependency between the user's feedback and our 5 empirical methods for our 6 measurements. Thus, we argue that situated visualizations, in contrast to interactive prototypes, can be compared among different empirical methods. Please see our paper for full details.